In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the MS Gaming Overlay error on your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, you need to head over to your Start menu and search for Registry Editor, and then click on the Registry Editor tab. From this window, you need to expand the folder HKey at current user like this. Then you need to expand the software folder, and then scroll down until you see Microsoft and expand this. Then scroll down again until you see the Windows folder, and we're going to expand this like so. Then expand current version, and in here you need to find a folder called Game DVR, which is this one here. Now you don't need to expand this folder, just select it like so. And right at the top, you should have a file called App Capture Enabled. And all we're going to do is double click on this file. And you need to change this value data from 1 to 0 like this, and then simply press OK. Now, if you don't have this file at the top, all you'll need to do is right click somewhere in the white space, click on New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. And then you just need to give it the name App Capture Enabled like this, and hit enter. Once you've created your file, simply double click on it and make sure the value data is set to 0 and press OK. Then once you've done that, that should have fixed any error messages you're experiencing. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.